the Rubik's Cubes and our life. Number 3, Rubik's Cube, second layer, solving the middle edges. Symbolize persist through the grind in our life. What it means? Tackling intermediate challenges. It represents the grind stage where effort brings significant progress. Stay persistent. The middle journey is often where people give up. Growth happens when you push through, even when it's tough. Keep going. You're closer than you think. The second layer is where things get tricky. You're moving the middle pieces without disrupting your progress. This is the grind, tedious but necessary. In life, this phase tests your patience. Progress feels slow. Challenges mount and quitting seems tempting. But this is where real growth happens. The second layer is not glamorous, but it's essential. Example, consider J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter as a single mother struggling with rejection from publishers. Her second layer grind showing up, writing every day, persevering, turned her dreams into reality.